Anaphora, several phrases begin with the same word or words. Example, they growl at the rain and they growl at the sun. The words are they growl at the next alliteration, that is words starting with the same consonant in the same line, and whether their station be high or humble. The alliterated words are high, humble. The consonant sound is H. The short question answers are: first one, where does the family live? What does the word growl mean here? What does the poet expect everyone to learn? Fourth one, what is the opinion about the folks you meet down the street? Fifth one, what does the word gloom mean here? The probable questions are: what did the narrator think the unusual sound was? Second, what were the various sounds the brothers heard when they went downstairs? Who were the narrator's neighbors? What woke up the mother? How did the Bodwells react when a shoe was thrown into their house? How did the cops manage to enter the locked house? What conclusion did Grandpa jump to when he saw the cops? Eighth one, mention the things that the grandfather imagined. The paragraph question is: describe the funny incident that caused the confusion in the house. It is an hour, an honest man. Use an with singular nouns or adjectives which begin with a vowel sound, that is A, E, I, O, U. Example, an orange, an egg. Exception, a 1 rupee coin, a union, a European. Also, an is used for abbreviations such as, example, an MLA, an X-ray. With this, we have come to the end of Unit 2. Now go through your Reader and Dawn workbook and revise Unit 2 thoroughly. Good morning. Today we are going to revise Unit 2. In Unit 2, we have prose, the night the ghost got in. Second, we have a poem, The Grumble Family. And in supplementary, we have Zigzag. Let's see the story outline of The Night the Ghost Got In. The narrator heard footsteps. He thought it was a ghost. He woke his brother. His brother slammed the door. Hearing the sound, the mother also woke up. There was a lot of confusion and chaos. Cops also came and left without any clue. Finally, they came to know that it was Grandpa. Now the probable questions in this lesson. Let us see the supplementary Zigzag. Dr. Ashok T. Krishnan's family shelter a new pet bird, Zigzag. The family is totally taken up by the commotion Zigzag creates at home. As we read the story, there is a turn of events. Dr. Krishnan is forced to take Zigzag to his clinic, where a total transformation takes place. Gone was Zigzag's bored and grumpy expression. Instead, the bird looked happy and alert as it went about the job it had been trained for. After this turn of events, the family decided to keep Zigzag at their home for another week. You have to know the summary of this story to write the hints development, which comes for 8 marks. Next, let us see in grammar articles. Articles: the, an. The is a definite article, an are indefinite articles. Usage of the article the. First one, when it is clear to who or what we are referring to. Example, the judge found him not guilty. Second one, when there is only one such thing, something unique. Example, the sun shines brightly. Third, before ordinal numbers. Example, I live on the 3rd floor. Fourth, before proper nouns like oceans or rivers. Example, the Indian Ocean, the Ganga. Fifth, before only books, scriptures, or newspapers. Example, the Bible, the Hindu. Sixth, before names of most buildings or monuments. Example, the Taj Mahal, the Park Hotel. Seventh, before names of places containing of. Example, the Republic of China. Eighth, before places ending in plurals. Example, the Andaman and Nicobar Islands. Ninth, before superlatives. Example, the best, the smallest. Next, let us see about the indefinite articles. Usage of a and an. Use a with singular nouns or adjectives which begin with the consonant sound. Example, a computer, a girl. Exception, before the consonant H. It is an. Let us see the poem, The Grumble Family. The poem is about a family that lives in the complaining street. They growl for everything. They are not happy with anything in life. Hot or cold, winter or summer, they always grumble. It is wise to stay away from them. From this we learn to live life with a smile and song. Next, let us see the literary devices used in this poem. For example, the lines, the weather is always too hot or cold, summer and winter alike they scold. Nothing goes right with the folks you meet down on that gloomy, complaining street. The rhyming words are cold, scold, meet, street. The rhyme scheme is AABB. Oxymoron, that is opposites, hot, cold, summer, winter. Next, epithet, that is an adjective or phrase expressing a quality regarded as characteristic of a person or thing mentioned. Example, grumble family, complaining street. Anaphora, several phrases